everyone, welcome back in today's class. Dear students, we have discussed 3 questions of our exercise 8.1 in the previous video. Today we are supposed to start with question number 4. Question number 4, let me read it out. Show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Okay, what we have to show that the diagonals of a square, let me draw a figure. Square is a figure having all angles and all sides same. Okay, the diagonal of a square are equal. This is what I have to prove. That means I have to show my both the diagonals are equal. That means I have to show to prove AC is equal to BD. This is first thing I have to prove. Show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other. Bisect means I have to show also OB is equal to OD and OC is equal to OA. This is also I have to show, and they are bisecting each other at 90 degree. That means this also I have to show AOB is equal to AOD is equal to BOC is equal to COD, and all angles are of 90 degree. So this information I have to prove in this question. What they have given? They have given that the figure is a square only. Okay, the first thing I have to prove AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Okay, let me take this triangle ABD. First I will try to prove them congruent. How can I prove them congruent? See, this is a square. So student, this side and this side will be equal. In case of a square, we know that AB is equal to what? AB will be equal to AD, and if I see ABD, that means if these two sides are equal, isn't it a isosceles triangle? And in an isosceles triangle, opposite angles are also equal. This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and AO is common to both. Yes or no? If AO is common to both, then this triangle will be congruent to this triangle. If I have proved that these two triangles are congruent, my OB will be equal to my OD. This is how I am going to start. So in triangle ABD, AB is equal to AD. Okay, because it is a square. It is a square. Okay, then AO is equal to AO, common, and ABO angle is equal to ADO angle, that is opposite angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. The reason you may mention here. Okay, so the triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. If they are congruent, I may write OD is equal to OB. Okay, the first thing, OB is equal to OD. That means this part I have proved. Fine. Now if my this triangle is equal to this triangle, isn't my this angle will be equal to this by CPCT? How can I write it as? Then angle AOB is equal to angle AOD by CPCT. And student, if my angle AOB and AOD both are equal, they are forming a linear pair. That means angle, let me take it as X, and this also will be of X. That means if AOB is equal to AOB plus AOD, if I add, I am getting a straight line. Straight line means the sum will be of 180 degree. That means AOB will be of 90 degree and AOD also will be of 90 degree. Okay, this is also I have proved AOB and AOD. AOD, BOC, COD, AOC, not AOC, BOC. I may write it as AOD. These two things also I have proved. Now what I have to show? I have to show my AC is equal to my BD. AC is equal to my BD, and I have to show OC is equal to OA. This is what I have to prove. Now I will take this lower triangle. I will just make it clear to you. I will take these two triangles. Because this is a square, then that means these two sides will be equal. This will be common. Now this will be a isosceles triangle. This angle will be equal to this angle. That means very easily we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, I may take I may take that the part OC will be equal to OB. Otherwise, we may take this way, ADC. This is equal to, this is common. Okay, this side is equal to this side. These angles are equal. If I take these two triangles are congruent, my OA will be equal to OC. This will also be proved. Same way I can prove these angles are of 90 degree. Okay, the same I have done, or you may write it as similarly AD is equal to DC and this angle will be of 90 degree. When I proved all angles are of 90 degree, that means diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree and diagonals are bisecting each other. This is what I have to show. At the last you may write, hence we have proved that diagonals of a square bisecting each other at right angles. Okay, this is what we had to prove in this question. Half part you can show and half of the part you can write. Similarly, we can prove this part, that is this is equal to the remaining one. Okay, you have to see the question. Now the fifth question of this exercise. Fifth question is again the same type. Show that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral are equal and bisecting each other at right angle, then it is a square. Now in this question I have to show my all sides are same. That means to prove, first I should write the given, but here I am writing to prove. Given I will write later. I have to prove all sides are same. All sides are same, all angles are of 90 degree. This is what I have to prove. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. One thing I have to prove, I have to show angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, and all angles I have to show of 90 degree. This is what I have to prove. And the given information I should know what the information they have given to us. They have given AC is equal to BD. My diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. This information they have given, and they are saying that OB is equal to OD. That means this one OB is equal to OD, OA is equal to OC, and they are bisecting each other at right angles. These angles are of 90 degree. This information they have given. Okay, what we have to prove, I have to show AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and CD is equal to DA, and all angles are of 90 degree. See how can we go for that. First student I will take AOC. I will start with proof. See, triangle AOD and BOC. These two triangles I am taking. It is very easy for us to prove them congruent. I need to prove them congruent. This angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle, or we can call it as 90 degree each. The side of this triangle and this triangle are equal, and this is equal to this. That means angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, each 90 degree. Okay, then AO is equal to OC given. OB is equal to OD. This is also given. Hence, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Okay, this triangle, now I will be doing adding triangle COD to both sides. AOD plus COD. To both sides I will be adding BOC plus triangle COD. Now just see, AOD plus COD, can I write it as ADC? Triangle AD and C. Same way BOC plus COD, BCD, may I write it as BC and D. Student, if these two triangles are equal and congruent, okay, these two triangles are what? Equal and as well as congruent, then I may write it as angle D will be equal to angle C by CPCT. And my BC will be equals to AD. Okay, this is what I have proved. Likewise, I have proved two things here. The two things I can prove by taking this triangle AOB and COD. अब आप वो वाले ट्रायंगल्स ले लेंगे, फिर ये वाला ट्रायंगल जो इनके अंदर कॉमन आ रहा है वो ऐड कर देंगे, उससे आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? सिमिलरली आप यहाँ पे लिख देंगे, सिमिलरली आपके पास BC किसके इक्वल आ गया? AD के। सिमिलरली आप क्या प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि AB आपके पास किसके इक्वल आ गया है? CD के इक्वल आ गया। इससे आपकी 4 की 4 साइड्स इक्वल आ जाएंगी। सिमिलरली AB इज इक्वल टू BC इज इक्वल टू CD इज इक्वल टू DA। ऐसे आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं। एक पार्ट आपने प्रूव किया, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट यू कैन राइट बाय सिमिलरली, क्योंकि अगर आप सारे पार्ट्स को दिखाने लग गए तो द क्वेश्चन विल बी टू लेंथी। फाइन। So these and by CPCT you may prove angle AO, angle ADO, मतलब angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. All angles are of 90 degree. Well, hence when all sides are same and all angles are of 90 degree, then we may call it as a square, है ना। यही प्रूव करना था हमें, ठीक है। इस एक्सरसाइज के जो क्वेश्चंस प्रूव करने वाले हैं डियर स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू शो सम ऑफ द पार्ट्स, यू हैव टू शो एंड सम ऑफ द पार्ट यू हैव टू राइट सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव दिस एंड दैट पार्ट। क्योंकि अगर हम 4 पार्ट्स को प्रूव करने लगेंगे द क्वेश्चन विल टेक इवन मोर देन 10-15 minutes, so that will be difficult to prove, no. So I hope the whole question of this exercise, the questions we have discussed till now are clear for everyone. If you really like the video, if you really find it useful for you, if you have understood the questions, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.